Hey guys, Joe from J&M Concrete here. So rebar is laid out. This has actually been covered for a few days, I think close to a week, because we had about 2 feet of snow land here in Colorado. But today, tomorrow, the next few days are really warm, clear weather, so we're gonna knock this out. This is our second to last job. After this, we have a little 4 by 25 section of asphalt we're tearing out, but this is basically it right here, guys. Thanks for sticking around this year. Don't forget to leave us a like, subscribe, and we'll see you at the pour, guys. Bye-bye.
Ahí creo yo los míos y nosotros. Porque ahora que la nieve nos anda usando. No, yo me lo pongo también, no se pasan, me caen a ver. Se marea uno, se marea y se marea. Pues a mí casi no me gustan aquellos, porque me lo pongo y me mareo. Y en el campamento me veo. No, necesita que ponerse. Yo cuando primero agarré el como hice yo me los pongo y yo a la verga.
Hey guys, Joe from J&M Concrete here. So the pour went well. So I always tell people, in order to be a good concrete guy, you have to be a framer, a painter, a sprinkler installer, a landscaper sometimes. And in this case, we need to make our own little gutters to make sure the water drips down, rolls off, and doesn't land on our concrete, so it doesn't make any marks. But there it is, guys. We poured at 7 in the morning, 5-inch slump, 1.5% non-chloride accelerant. We have warm weather today, tonight, tomorrow, and tomorrow night, so we don't have to worry about covering it. Hopefully the water will run off of that. We'll be good. We have one more little project left. Thanks for sticking around, guys. Don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. We'll see you then. Bye-bye.